Welcome back to Teacher B. Today we were solving a smart circle geometry problem using the exterior angle of a triangle theorem and a key property of a diameter. Let's dive in. Solution. We were given that NR is a diameter and angle MNR is equal to x degree. Angle MNR equal to x degree. Also, angle XRN is equal to 5x plus 20. Angle XRN equal to 5x plus 20 degree. And we were asked to find the value of 2x. 2x is currently unknown. Let us use diameter property. Since our NR is a diameter, the angle subtended at the circumference is a right angle. It means that angle RMN is equal to 90 degree. Angle RMN equal to 90 degree. Let us use exterior angle of a triangle theorem. The theorem says the sum of two opposite remote interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. What the theorem is saying is that the addition of MNR plus RMN is equal to SRN. So mathematically, it can be written as angle SRN equal to angle MNR plus angle RMN. Let us substitute their values into the equation. Our angle SRN is 5x plus 20. Angle MNR is x and angle RMN is 90 degree. So 5x plus 20 equal to x plus 90. So let us collect like terms. Let us transpose x to the left hand side and the positive sign will change to negative. And also let us transpose 20 to the right hand side and the positive sign will also change to negative. So 5x minus x equal to 90 minus 20. 5x minus x is 4x equal to 90 minus 20 will give us 70. So divide both sides by 4 to determine the value of x over 4 over 4. So x equal to 17.5 degree. And the question says we should find 2x. That means 2 multiplied by 17.5 degree, which is equal to 35 degree. So there's no correct option in the given question. Our 2x is 35 degree. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart geometry tricks. See you in the next one. Thank you.